Hey, it's Matthew from Dental Axess, and in this video I'll be discussing 3D printers and their relevance in the dental industry. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a hot topic at the moment across many industries, and in dentistry we've seen a real surge in popularity in the past 4 to 6 years. With this surge in popularity, there's many different types of printers, different materials and applications. This can be quite confusing, so let's break it down and look at each printer, how they work, and how they're relevant. The simplest and most economic form of 3D printing is fused deposition modeling, or FDM. FDM takes a spool of material, extrudes it through a hot nozzle, and the nozzle traces out a shape. The nozzle lifts up a layer, traces out another shape, and continues. As the layers cool, they bond together, forming a solid object. The resolution is quite coarse with these printers, and the material can be quite cheap, so this is perfect for applications where the printed object is a consumable, such as a custom impression tray or a bite transfer block. At the other end of the cost scale is polymer jetting. Polymer jetting machines can have multiple materials and huge print trays. They're large industrial machines and they take a lot of maintenance, hence the high cost. However, these have fantastic applications with the material mixing. For example, you could print a transparent skull with pink veins and squishy yellow sinuses for educational purposes in a hospital or a teaching clinic. SLS and SLM are selective laser sintering and melting respectively. These machines take a bed of material in a powder form and fire a laser down onto the material. Where the laser strikes the material, it bonds to the neighbouring molecules and eventually you form a shape. These machines are also taken from industry, so can be quite expensive, but their benefits is they have biocompatible materials such as cobalt chrome partials, titanium implant restorations, and nylon sleep appliances. The most popular type of 3D printer we see in dentistry is vat polymerization. We often see this as SLA or DLP. Irrespective of whether it's SLA or DLP, we have a tray of material with a transparent base. Underneath that transparent base is a UV light, and the UV light shines through the transparent base into the material and cures the resin. We have a build platform that lifts up the cured material so more can flow in, and the process is repeated. We often see biocompatible materials being used, such as denture try-ins, snap-on smiles, temporary crowns, surgical guides, and bite splints. Other objects we can print are crown and bridge models, orthodontic aligner models, and partial dentures. So how can 3D printing benefit a dental business? 3D printing allows a dental business to produce parts quickly and in-house. A fantastic example of this is same-day dentistry for implants. For example, a patient comes in the morning, has a surgical guide made, and a temporary custom healing abutment printed, all on the same printer. Or, for debond for orthodontic braces, the patient comes in, has the scan, the brackets are digitally removed, a model printed, and a retainer made in the same visit. That's all for 3D printing for this video. If you've got any questions, please reach out at dentalaxess.com.